Hello, this is Laura with USATuff SeaDek. I am here to walk you through the PaperFIT process for your SeaDek boat decking project. This is a key step to ensure that your SeaDek kit will fit your boat perfectly. Once your PaperFIT kit arrives, your first step is to remove all of the paper templates from the box. Because the templates are shipped rolled, they may have some curl to them. Lay all of the pieces flat on a clean surface and place a towel or blanket over the pieces to help flatten them to their original state. Once the pieces are flat, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Take the PaperFIT templates to your boat and begin placing each piece into its intended location. Each piece is designed to match a specific area of your boat, so take your time and position them carefully. The next step is to tape the pieces down as if they were being installed as the final decking. Make sure each piece is centered and positioned the way you would want the finished SeaDek to sit in your boat. The goal here is to confirm that each piece fits the area correctly when laid out naturally. The tape ensures that your pieces stay in place during this process. Once all of the pieces are taped down, take a moment to review the entire layout. Check that everything looks correct, evenly spaced, and properly proportioned throughout the boat. If everything looks like a perfect fit, take images looking directly down onto the decking and email those to your USATuff project manager with a note that you have approved your PaperFIT kit for your project. The next section of this video will go over what to do if your PaperFITs do not fit correctly. If any of your PaperFIT pieces do not fit correctly, please stop immediately. Do not trim, cut, force, or adjust the paper pieces on your own. Our team will guide you through the next steps. Before we explain the next steps, there is one very important rule to follow. If your PaperFITs do not fit, leave all pieces taped down exactly as they are. Do not move or reposition any of the templates until the photos have been sent to your USATuff project manager and reviewed. Leaving everything taped in place allows our team to clearly see the alignment of all pieces and guide adjustments accurately. If pieces are moved before we review the layout, the PaperFIT process may need to be restarted. First, we will start with general fitment issues, and later I will go over more complex issues such as hatches or hinges that are misaligned. Now that we have confirmed that everything is still taped down, the next step is to take clear photos of the problem areas. These photos allow our CNC and CAD team to make precise adjustments to your templates. It is very important that photos are taken looking straight down at the PaperFIT pieces. Straight overhead photos translate accurately into our CAD software. Photos taken at an angle do not translate and can slow down the adjustment process. For each area that does not fit, please take 2 photos. The first photo should show the entire piece so we can see how it fits within the boat. The second photo should be a close-up of the specific problem area. Before taking your close-up photos, please make a clear notation directly on the PaperFIT piece. Write the piece number and draw an arrow pointing towards the bow of the boat. This ensures that our team knows exactly which piece they're looking at and the correct orientation. Here you will see a picture of the full piece as well as 2 close-ups of the problem areas. I have one final note before we move on. You'll notice that each PaperFIT piece has a small square cutouts positioned throughout the template. These 1-inch squares are there for a reason. They help our CAD and CNC team accurately align your PaperFITs in our system. When taking your close-up photos of the problem areas, please make sure that at least one of these square cutouts is visible in the image. To recap, your final image should have at least 1 square, a reference number for the piece, and an arrow pointing towards the bow. Once you have completed this picture process for any problem areas on your boat, email those images to your USATuff project manager and they will walk you through the next steps. That wraps up the PaperFIT adjustment process. Additional videos will be available to guide you through more complex adjustments, such as hinges and hatches. If you have any questions at any point, your project manager is always there to help. Thank you for choosing USATuff, and we look forward to helping you transform your boat with SeaDek.